Moving on to the Ford display now. That's the test track behind me there. And then here's all the cars on display. This must be a new truck. I never heard of the Tremor before. So this looks like it's a new one from Ford, unless I'm incorrect. They got some cargo vans here, which I'm not going to really spend any time on those. You can see them there. I don't know really anything about them. This looks like it's the electric pickup truck with the frunk. So this is the F-250. Bed of the pickup truck. So it actually has a built-in stair to go through the car or to get into the bed of the truck. So here's the F-150. This one's about $80,000 based on the sticker. Very traditional dash. Here's the Ford Ranger. Those are $43,000 now. This, I think, is their smallest pickup now. So now we're moving into the cars. Here's a Mustang GT.
And today, we're going to show you how different electrified vehicle options work and help you decide which one is going to be right for you. Full hybrid vehicles have a gas engine and a battery-powered electric motor.
There's a Mustang GT in green.
Run on both. You can switch the gas for long. The full hybrid, the plug-in hybrid also has a gas engine.
Here's jumping into the Mustang.
The difference is that you can plug them in to charge the battery. So when you go farther on battery power alone. Now,
There's that new car smell. Oh, the cup holder's light, which is cool.
Now, the answer for question number 2 is hybrid has an EPA estimated rate of 400. Now, where plug-in hybrids really shine, it's just zipping around town. The escape to find acceleration.
Here's the electric Mustang.
By electric motors. In charge of plugging it at home or at the station, it takes 45 minutes to charge the Mustang Mach-E extended range from 75% to 80%. Introducing the all-electric 2023 Charge Network. It's North America's largest more than 75,000 plugs.
Man, it's a huge display. Man, compared to my hand.
I'm running out of time.
What a sketch. Yeah, I am. There's a white one. Well, let's see what the hatchback looks like. So I think this is a redesign of the Mustang. It's got the new lights. Convertible. Oh. The Timberline. A lot of them redesigned the front with the new LEDs. Oh, this one has a sticker too. This one's $83,700. There's another Ford SUV. This is a Ford Expedition, $87,000.
Won't let you down either. 770 foot-pounds of torque in this. If the track was a little bit longer, I could do 0 to 60 about 4.5 seconds.
Wow.
What do you think? Pretty
That's
cool,
amazing,
right?
yeah.
Yeah.
Especially for a truck this size, you know? It's not like it's a little car,
Yeah,
you
it's
know?
not like it's a little sports car or anything.
Right,
like that.
yeah,
It's a full-size
exactly.
car.
There's a Ford test track. It's funny how everyone hangs on. And that's pretty big incline. Here's the washboard test.
Oh, wow.
This one's really cool. Kind of neat how each tire is independent. There's the incline, Bronco Mountain. Yes.
All right, let's go ahead and turn this thing around. So this one has the Sasquatch package. Actually, has all the bells and whistles. As you can see, it has a front camera where you can be able to see exactly where you're going. Got the tire marks and brake.
Oh, that's cool.
And I can also engage both of my front and my rear markers to go ahead and help you right here. Very, very nice and smooth under here. Nothing too crazy. A little bit of a 22-degree twist, tilt. And then we're going to come back down. And I hope you guys do not have too much for lunch because we're about to go through the terrain right here. And one cool thing about this is like we have a tire camera where you can be able to see exactly where your tires go, so that you can prevent any punctures.
Oh, wow.
Terrain and everything because it's very rocky. And there's some times there might be glass or anything, so you can avoid that by just looking at the camera. You don't have to look all the way out. So
Cool.
that's one good thing, especially if the doors are already in. Now, this is actually like my favorite spot right here because one side I'm going to be all the way up, and then this one also is going to be all the way up, and then on top of that too, it gets crazy and it feels like it's going to fall, right? And on top of that too, what's crazy is like we just went all the way down like that. So go ahead and press this button right here. That's known as the sway bar disconnect. It keeps it nice and level while it's on that type.
Ah, that's cool.
So yeah. And on top of that, so this is like the first vehicle to actually do that while it's on that kind of load because most vehicles require a flat surface to do that. So.
Oh, right.
Yeah. So,
We're gonna stop at the top.
oh yeah, we're gonna try this just a little bit, just for 1 second.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and engage both of my front and my rear lockers because this will help us climb up this mountain without it even sliding off because all the wheels are gonna be spinning and everything together, and then boom, we're all the way to the top. We're seeing everybody, and then nice and smooth it's like a 45 degree and everything. So
That's awesome. That was great.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Thank you so much for riding with me today.
Thank you.
All right.